Welcome to Jen Bell Yoga. I'm Jen. In this video, we'll release the chest muscles by using myofascial release techniques. One of the biggest limiting factors in improving your posture is typically tight chest muscles. Your pectoralis major and minor are constantly being used and also being shortened by sitting, watching TV, using your phone, and even driving. So to get started, grab your ball and let's go to a wall. To massage and release those chest muscles, the pec minor and pec major, and place the ball right underneath the collarbone. You can go from the shoulder almost all the way to the sternum, and you can start right at the collarbone and slowly go down, maybe just a few inches. Place the ball between the wall and the shoulder, and then start to slide side to side. You roll underneath the collarbone. Work your way a little higher up and a little lower down. Bend your knees, go up on your toes, and if you find a spot that feels really good, you can just stop and pause. You go all the way in to the armpit if that feels good, especially where that pec minor starts. Play around with it until you feel a little release. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like and also subscribe to this channel if you want more content that shows you how to use yoga and yoga therapy techniques to better improve your life. See you soon.